Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to make the scroll bar always visible on your Mac. If you find it annoying that the scroll bar disappears when you're not actively scrolling, this quick fix will solve that for you. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, let's get into it. First, open up a Finder window. You'll notice that when you click on something like Applications, there's no scroll bar visible. It only appears briefly when you actually start scrolling, and then it quickly fades away. To make the scroll bar always visible, click on the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen and select System Settings. Once you're in the settings, it usually opens on the General section by default, but what we want is the Appearance section. So go ahead and scroll down or click on Appearance in the sidebar. Inside Appearance, scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled Show Scroll Bars. You'll see a few choices here, and what you want to do is set it to Always. As soon as you do that, you'll notice the scroll bars immediately appear and stay visible, just like that. No more disappearing scroll bars. That's it. Simple, quick, and it makes navigating your Mac a bit easier. If this video helped, be sure to like the video and leave a comment if you have any questions.